In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on USB tethering on your Android phone. Let's get into the method. Firstly, connect your Android phone via a USB to another device, for example a PC, as on some devices we can only enable USB tethering whilst USB is connected. Now open the main Settings app, and there might be two ways to turn it on. First, tap into the search option at the top and type in USB tethering. If you see this from the search results, tap on it and then find it on the list. Use the toggle switch here to turn it on and wait a few seconds and it should work with the connection. If you couldn't find the USB tethering options in the settings, first check manually within the network and internet settings. If it's not there, it's possible it's within the developer settings, which you might need to enable first. This can be done by searching for About Phone, then find the build number option and tap on this multiple times. Back on the settings homepage, there should now be the developer options or settings, which if you tap on, you can now look for USB tethering within here and turn it on. That's how to turn on USB tethering on your Android phone. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.